Hi guys, welcome back. So I have a unboxing for you guys today, and I wanted to do it with y'all because this is an order that I have been waiting for probably almost a month. So what the situation is I ordered from Mina Baie on their pre-order when they had the Mini Harpers, and I also pre-ordered a Kinney because I hadn't tried that style before, so I wanted to give it a go. Well, because of all the fires and everything in California and stuff, my order got very delayed, and it was a little bit of an odd situation. So, but it finally arrived today. So I wanted to show you guys what was in the box, and the Kinney actually is a mystery. I'm not sure what color I'm getting. I wanted them to surprise me. So yeah, so you get to see which one I got. Apparently my box looked suspicious because it got examined by the US Customs and Border Protection. So maybe that's why it took so long. And it was open, it was just taped very lightly shut with that border protection tape. So I guess they examined it because it did have leather bags, there was a leather bag in here. So this looks like the Mini. And I do like how they send these in really nice dust bags. These are like a cotton material. They're very nice. The dust bag, it feels, you know, pretty high quality for a dust bag, to be honest. I got this in the blush, and I do really like my full size. So here it is here. And that is really cute. I actually got this as a mum bag. If it works as a toddler bag, that's awesome, but I'm not expecting it to. So I think this is actually going to be a really good size, because that's all I really needed. Oh, they sent me a change pad. Does it come with a change pad? Anyway, so I got a change pad. So that's kind of cool. Now, a lot of people have said this is a lot smaller than they expected, but honestly, this is about the size I expected it to be. So it is very pretty. I don't think it really looks blush to me. To me, it looks like a really light kind of, I want to say tan, almost a bit like my sand. So when I'll do another video kind of comparing the two colors and the sizes also, so you guys can get an idea of the difference between the full-size Harper and the Mini Harper. But I'm actually looking forward to using this, so I will kind of play around with this a lot more later on and come back and do a review for you guys. The same kind of outside as the regular, except this pocket here is not, it is not wetsuit lined. I can't think of the word. I can't think of the word at the moment, but it's just a regular lining in there, just fine. So it's not designed for bottles or anything. And then the inside, you just have one long pocket at the front, one long pocket at the back, and then two side pockets that feel kind of insulated. And then there's this pocket here, and then the pocket at the back. So, and this is very padded. So if you have a tablet, this would be perfect. I reckon this would be perfect as a work bag. I'm really looking forward to that, because next year I am going to go back to school and get my master's in psychology. Haven't decided which branch yet, so I am now kind of thinking ahead about bags that I want to take to class, or I want to take, say, I also want to get a job somewhere. So this is really nice. I do really like this a lot, and it is top grain leather, so it is very high quality. It does have little feet, so that's awesome. Okay, so that was the Mini Harper. Now here is the mystery bag. I'm curious on what color they sent me. Okay. It looks like they sent me the sand. I'm not sure what color this is. Does it say on here? I don't know. I don't know if it says anywhere on here. Actually, is it the same color as that? Those look very similar. Do you guys think that those look very similar? Those look extremely similar in color. Huh. Interesting. This is a faux leather, but this is a very nice faux leather, I have to say. Ooh, it's actually really nice. It doesn't feel plasticky. I'm curious. The other thing with faux leather bags is they do tend to chip, and then, of course, they're not as high quality as the leather bags, but this actually does feel like a really nice high quality leather, like faux leather. The thing that connects it is like a little faux leather elastic band. That's interesting. Let me take that off. Oh, that actually stays on there. That's interesting. I'm not sure why that stays on there, but it does. It doesn't come off. So that's okay. Maybe it's so for storage, maybe? That's kind of an interesting. Oh, it comes down here, so it goes over this. So you just keep it down there. That's actually kind of cool. See that? Anyways, I like how this kind of comes into the bag. Oh, it's a top closure with the Kinney on top. I love the zippers on Mina Baie. They're so smooth. You do get a messenger strap with it. So that's kind of cool right here. And you do get a short strap as well, which is nice. The same organization as the Harper, the full-size Harper, except it actually has, instead of a neoprene pocket at the front, there's one at the back, which I find a tad odd. I will be honest, I find that a tad odd that that's at the back. I wouldn't put a bottle in there because this is what's going to be against your back, right? So I'm guessing this is kind of more of a tech pocket. That's how I would see it. Not as a water, you know, as a insulated bottle pocket. I would not use it unless you put like flat snacks or something back here. I would not put a bottle. Honestly, would not put a bottle back there. I love the zippers on this. Okay, and there are feet on the bottom. So this is a kind of a bigger bag. There are 3 magnets at the front which help the flap close like that. Yeah, and it's got little hooks here so you can hook on the little messenger strap that it comes with. They're metal hooks. Bags that I got: Mini Harper and Kinney, so you can kind of get a look at how they look side by side. And as I said, this took a month to get to me, but I'm really happy they came. This is really pretty. Great mom bag, great work bag. I'll test it as a toddler bag with Clara as a quick trip bag. I think it might actually work for me because I don't take much. All right guys, have a great day, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.